This stuff still hurts. I don't think I would ever get used to this.
Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So today is my wax day for my armpits and I will be sharing it with you all today. So I'm starting off with my wax pot and I'm just putting a bit more of this soft wax in there so that I can heat it up since I ran out of my first batch from waxing just regularly. So I just put it in the pot right there before I turn it on, and then I plug in the wax pot after I put the soft beads in there. So for the temperature, I put the temperature on medium heat just to heat it up in about 10 minutes, and I cover it up to speed that process up. And you don't have to worry because after it is completely hot, this pot automatically shuts off so that it doesn't overheat, just in case you forget about it. And then I just turn my pot down to low just to maintain that thickness and to thicken it up a bit. So once you turn it to low, it will stay at the perfect temperature to keep the wax warm enough and at the perfect consistency so that it sticks to the skin.
So my wax is nice and hot right here. So I wait until it gets really sticky. You don't want it to be too runny or else it won't stick to the hair. So I just take a little bit on the spatula and like that. And I just twirl it around and I blow it. So you don't want it to be too hot, so make sure you blow it, but you don't want it to be too sticky either. It just has to be warm. And to make it less painful, I do little sections at a time. So I don't do my whole armpit. I'm not at that level yet, and I don't know. So right now it's really sticky. It's really sticky right now. So I just hold the skin above where I'm about to pull. And I'm still scared by this. I still have to breathe and count. So I just count to 3. 1, 2, 3. See? That's how scared I am. I don't pull it all at once. I'm still a rookie. 1, 2, 3. So I got that section.
So another tip I have for making waxing less painful is to start while the hair is really low. As you can see in this video, my hair is barely there. So I do not wait until the hair is too high or else it will become much more painful when you pull that hair. And the more you wax your hair, the more the hair will grow in much more finer. It won't be as coarse as before you started waxing, so it will become less painful over time. I do notice a big difference in pain compared to my first time doing this.
Okay, so I still have little pieces under my armpit, so I'm going to take the wipes that come with it. These are supposed to remove some of the bits of wax that's under my armpit and also soothe it. So this is how my armpit looks after shaving and using the soothing wipes. It's nice and clean. All of the hair is gone. All of the black spots you see are from razor bumps. Just years of using the razor to shave my arm. It just developed bumps and then they leave these black marks on there. And you know, just razor burn and stuff. So I'm expecting it to probably clear up in a year or so of waxing continuously. And this is how the unwaxed armpit look. So I'm gonna do this side. Oh my goodness. This stuff still hurts. I don't think I would ever get used to this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that hurts. Oh my goodness. So you wanna hold it. After you pull, you hold it. So this is how both of my armpits look. They're nice and clean. All of the hair is gone. So I'm hoping that it'll lighten up. If you have any suggestions for lightening up the armpit, let me know. I heard that lemon works, so I may try that. But yeah, this is how it looks after I get rid of all of the hair. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a rating, subscribe for weekly videos, and I will see you in my next video.